Good day, viewers. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look into equation of a circle. So what is this circle? Circle is a locus of a point equidistant from a fixed point. Circle is a locus of a point equidistant from a fixed point. The fixed point of a circle is known as the center of the circle, while the fixed line is called the radius. If you know the center and the radius of a circle, automatically obtaining equation of a circle will be as easy. So if we have this as a circle, and here is the center of a circle, we represent it with A, B along the coordinates. So here becomes the center of a circle, which is the fixed point. Then any point along this circumference, which is the moving point, referred as locus. If we have it as S, Y, we can take the measurements between 2 points. I'm believing from formula of distance times here, which is constant, known as the radius, can be measured as r squared equal to x minus a squared plus y minus b squared. So from distance formula we have this very equation. Hence, if you are to have equation of a circle, this is exactly what we call the standard equation of a circle. So we write x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared. So you will now have this as the standard equation of a circle. Now, if the center is situated at the origin, that is, when you have A, B equal to 0, 0, it simply means that the center now is located at the origin. And once you have such, automatically this equation will now be paraphrased as x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. Why? Because the a and the b has been substituted with 0. And if you subtract 0 from x, you are having x all squared. If you subtract b, which is 0 now, from y, you are having y squared, which will now be equal to radius. So this is standard equation of a circle with center at the origin, while this is standard equation of a circle with center at any point. Okay, so once you have this standard equation of a circle, you can still convert it to the general form. Hence, we say that equation of a circle can be in 2 forms. We have the standard form, which is the one I have written. Then we have another one known as the general equation of a circle. Now let us see how we can convert the standard equation of a circle to general equation of a circle. Conversion of standard equation of a circle to general equation of a circle. Okay, so from the formula we have x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equal to r squared as the standard equation of a circle. Now, we want to get the general form of it. Now we are going to expand this. Now by expansion, we have x squared x times minus a times 2 will give us minus 2ax Then minus a squared will give us plus a squared. Then we expand this as well. Y squared, we have y squared. Y times minus b times 2 will give us minus 2by. Minus b squared will give us b squared equal to r squared. Then we are going to arrange this. We have x squared plus y squared minus 2ax minus 2by plus a squared plus b squared. If you subtract r squared from both sides, we have minus r squared equal to 0. Now, we are going to call or replace this with a constant c. Then, if we say that c, if we said let c be equal to a squared plus b squared minus r squared. And again, we have minus a. If we said let g represent minus a. Also, we have minus b here, and say that f be equal to minus b. Now, if you substitute in this very equation, we are going to have x squared plus y squared minus 2ax. We have minus 2. Our a is now equivalent to minus g, right? Because if g is equal to minus a, automatically we are going to have that a is equal to minus g, right? The same thing is applicable to this. If f is equal to minus b, then b will be equal to minus f. So as we are substituting now, minus 2a, our a now is what? Minus g x. Then minus 2, our b is now minus f. We have minus f times y. Then plus, you remember we said we are going to replace this with constant c equal to 0. Now if we simplify this, we have x squared plus y squared minus 2 times minus g will give us 2g times x. We have plus 2gx minus 2 times minus f will give us plus 2f times y. We have plus 2f(y) plus c equal to 0. Now we have succeeded in obtaining the general form of equation. Hence we call this the general form of equation of a circle. So in this general form, remember the coefficient of x squared and the coefficient of y squared, both of them have their coefficients to be 1. Whenever you are solving equation of a circle, always bear it in mind that it has the same coefficient of power 2. So if here is 2, automatically here will be 2. If the coefficient of x is 3, the coefficient of y will be 3. Yes, it is not equation of a circle. So this is general form of equation of a circle. Now let's quickly move into solving. Now if you are given a center and the radius of a circle, you can get equation of a circle. The same thing is applicable when you are given equation of a circle to find the center or the radius of a circle. So you've seen that we have equation of a circle which can be in any of these 3 forms. These 2 forms are referred as the standard form, while this very one is called the general form. Find equation of a circle whose center is at the origin and the radius is 8 units. Solution. Now, from the question given, you have the center of the circle given as 0, 0, that is origin. And the radius of the circle is given as 8 units. Now, with this center and the radius, you can quickly solve to obtain equation of a circle. We have our formula. X minus a squared plus y minus b squared equal to r squared. But in this case, we have a and b to be equal to 0, which means we are going to now use x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. Now we have our radius to be equal to 8. So we have 8 plus y squared equal to 8 squared. So 8 squared will give us 64. So we have x squared plus y squared equal to 64. So that's the equation of a circle with the given center, origin, and the radius 8.